Hey special family, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Autism Mom, and on this channel we talk about autism and everything in between. If you'd like to be part of the family, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Today I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers, Mona. Mona, I am so very proud of you. You took that step, you took that leap of faith and took your awesome princess to the zoo for the first time, and it didn't go as bad as you thought. See, with autism, I look at it like there's a person inside there, there's a human inside there. Just how you like and dislike certain things, they have the same thing, only it's a little more extreme. But once you put those stares aside that people give you, you don't care about what people think. It's all about letting your child experience the world and letting them see more than the four walls in the house. You realize that you learn how to tune people out, tune their opinions out, tune their remarks out. And Mona girl, you did it. I'm so happy you had an awesome time with her and it was not as bad as you thought. I hope more parents will do this. And please keep me updated if you do another trip. I really want to know how it went. I know how I was the first time I took Ramsey. I was super excited and I was ready to do it again as soon as possible. So shout out to you, Mona. So today's video. Are we leaving Velcro behind for slides? Let me tell y'all about y'all internet nephew. Ramsey starts wearing my slides and walking around in the house. And I thought it was funny, so I'm laughing about it. So he had his annual checkup. I took him to the doctor. Your boy can't gain no more weight. He's not allowed to gain any more weight. This medication makes this boy eat so much, it's not even funny. But I'm trying to find a way to go around it because he's already a picky eater and he's on restrictions, Lord Jesus. But that's another subject. So we're sitting in the doctor's office and this happens. So now I'm barefoot. Takes off my slides. Takes off his shoes. Then takes off my slides and wears them in the doctor's office. And I had to leave him with it because he was tearing up the doctor's office. He was taking too long to come in the room. You know the white paper that they have on the bed? He started ripping that apart. Then I had to stop that. Then he went to the faucet, started turning it on, grabbing the Q-tips, pulling the phone from the wall. He was doing the most. But once he took the slides, he calmed down and he stayed in one place because he wanted to try walking in the slides. So I said, you know what? Maybe it's time. Maybe he's telling me that he's ready for slides. So I did what a good mother would do. I went to Ross and got your boy a nice cute pair of slides that are not expensive, because if he tear them up, I could just be like, okay, that's $10, this is fine. Got your boy a slide. And I'm like, we gonna start practicing to walk in these slides. Because we did slides before. We came home a couple of times with one pair. Because he would lose the slide because he can't walk properly in it. And he keeps walking like there's nothing wrong when the slide came off his foot miles ago. And we don't know where it fell. So we have a lot of one-sided shoes. But he got the slides and your boy was practicing to walk in these slides. Here's the video. Come on, let's take a walk. We'll be back. Put them slippers back on. We're gonna walk. You gonna walk? Okay, this is our first time wearing the slides. So my baby out here walking like he got something stuck under his feet. We are climbing stairs. On the slides. Come here, Ramsey. Ramsey, come back down. Let's see if you can make it down with the slide. If you can make it down the stairs with the slides, you're a pro. Then it's buy Velcro, welcome slides. Buy Velcro, welcome slides. Oh Jesus, no. Put that shoe on. Put that slide on. What the hell? Come here. What are you doing? Where's the other one? What the? Hey, hey, calm down. Put them on. Put it on. No, wrong. Other way. Put it the other way. No. Hands. No, no, no. Take your hand. Switch it. This way. You not funny. You think you funny? You think you funny? Do not throw them slides back down there, okay? So do you? No, you go. You go. Look at this. I got a whole new husband. The slides. Alright, where's the slides? Put your slides on. Put it on. Ramsey, go get the slides. Put it on. Put it on. And it ain't on the right. Hey, stop. The foot. Switch it. Switch it. Take it off. Take it off. Switch it. Good job. Y'all come get y'all internet nephew. I'm done. I'm so done. So done. So now that you've seen the video, we will still be practicing in these slides for a minute. But I'll keep you guys updated and I'll post how this slide thing is going. And if this means that he'll master it and we'll say goodbye to Velcro, I'm all for it. I mean, I don't know up to what age they make Velcro sandals, but I know I can find a slide anywhere. So, and hopefully we don't come home with one pair. But I'll keep you guys updated and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.